Dear students, welcome to my online English class. I would like to introduce myself first. This is Muhammad Abdul Qadir, Assistant Teacher English, Jaipur BL High School, Nawabganj, Dinajpur. Dear learners, now we are passing a very critical situation because of COVID-19 outbreak, and you know all types of routine services has been slowed down, but life can't be stopped. Education is our power. So the process of education cannot be stopped. Considering this, the government has taken pragmatic step to make the students busy at the table. As a part of it, I am trying my best to represent our today's session. So I would like to request everybody to connect with me with my online class, and I also request you to connect, to tell your friend to connect with our online class. Dear learners, this process has become possible, with the help of science and technology. Now let's move to today's topic. Today I am going to discuss transformation of sentence. Before going to discussion, I'd like to give you some information about transformation of sentence. Transformation of sentence is the changing of formation of sentences without the changing of meaning. Here, the sentence pattern will be changed, but the meaning of the sentence will be unchanged. So, dear students, you have to be careful in the case of changing sentence. Dear students, today I am going to discuss about transformation of sentence on compound to simple. Dear students, before going to do compound to simple, I would like to inform you what is compound sentence, complex sentence, and complex sentence. Compound, complex, and simple sentence. Simple sentence is a sentence that contains one subject and one finite verb. I want to do it. This is a simple sentence because here is a subject I and a finite verb want. There is another verb to do. Do is here another verb, and there is to before do. 2 plus PV1 base form of verb is a non-finite verb. So here there is one subject and one finite verb, and this is a simple sentence. So dear students, of course you have understood what is simple sentence. Simple sentence is a sentence that contains one subject and one finite verb. Let's move to another kind of sentence, complex sentence. Complex sentence is a sentence that has one principal clause and one or more subordinate clause or clauses, and the sentence is combined. The clauses are combined by a subordinating conjunction. If you come, I shall go. This is a complex sentence because here there are two subjects, you and I, and there are two finite verbs, come and shall go, and these two clauses are combined by a subordinating conjunction if. So dear students, this is a complex sentence. So complex sentence is a sentence that has one principal clause and one or more subordinate clause or clauses, and the clauses are combined by subordinating conjunction. Here there is a subordinating conjunction if, so it is a complex sentence. Dear students, now let's move to another kind of sentence, compound. Compound sentence is a sentence which is combined where there are two or more coordinate clause or clauses, and they are combined by a coordinating conjunction. He is poor but he is honest. Here there are two clauses. He is poor and he is honest, and these two clauses are combined by a coordinating conjunction but. So this is a compound sentence. Dear learners, compound sentence is a sentence that is combined by a coordinating conjunction and there are two or more coordinate clause or principal clauses. So compound sentence is a sentence that is made of with two or more principal or coordinate clause, and these clauses are combined by a coordinating conjunction. So it is a compound sentence because there is a coordinating conjunction but, and there are two clauses, principal or coordinate clauses. He is poor and he is honest. So this is a compound sentence. So dear students, please review. Simple sentence is a sentence which contains one subject and one finite verb. Complex sentence is a sentence that has two or more clauses. Here there must be a principal clause and the other clause must be subordinate clauses, and the subordinate clause begins with subordinating conjunction. Compound sentence is a sentence that has two or more principal or coordinate clause and they are combined by a coordinating conjunction. And now let's move to our main services from compound to simple sentence. The old sailor killed the bird and brought bad luck to the crew. This is a compound sentence because there are two clauses. The old sailor killed the bird and brought bad luck to the crew, and there is a coordinating conjunction. So it is a compound sentence. Now our main job is to make the compound sentence to a simple one. How can we make it simple? Now let's move to this point. If the sentence is combined with a coordinating conjunction and the subject of the both clause is the same subject and the verb is done one after another, in this case we have to make the sentence simple by this way. First we have to omit the first subject and make the first verb in present form, then ing at the end of the verb, and we have to write the other words of the sentence. After the first clause, we have to omit the coordinating conjunction and put a comma. Then we have to write the first subject and the other part of the second clause. Killing the bird, the old sailor brought bad luck to the crew. This is the simple form of the old sailor killed the bird and brought bad luck to the crew. How can we make the compound too simple? Here I have discussed that first I have to find what type of conjunction is here. There is a coordinating conjunction and. If the clause is combined by a coordinating conjunction and the subject of the both clauses are similar and the verb is happened one after another, first we have to omit the subject, and after the subject the verb must be put, after omitting the subject the verb must be put in present form, and we have to write ing at the end of the verb. After that the other words must be written. Then the conjunction and must be omitted and we have to put comma, and after that we have to write the subject of the first clause and the other parts which has been after and we have to write. And in this way we have to make the compound sentence into simple one. Dear learners, if the sentence is combined by but, how can we make it simple? If the compound sentence is combined by but, then we can make it simple in this way. The first we have to write in spite of, and that the subject of the first clause must be written in possessive form. If there is am, is, are or was, were, we have to write being and other words after the verb. Then the conjunction but must be omitted. Then the second clause, if there is subject, the clause must be written without changing anything, but if there is no subject, the subject of the first clause must be written after but, after omitting but, after comma. So the simple form of he is ill but he is honest, he works hard, is that in spite of his being ill, he works hard. When the compound sentence is combined by but, we have to make the simple sentence in this way. First, we have to write in spite of, and after in spite of, the subject subject must be written in possessive form, and after the possessive form we have to make the verb non-finite. And how can we make it non-finite? If there is be verb, we have to write being, and after the verb the other words must be written, but must be omitted and we have to put comma, then the first subject and the other words of the second clause. In this way we can make it simple from compound. Dear learners, please contact with us Keep practicing, stay at home and save sound. Thank you very much. Thank you.